Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Coco Styles, and today I am finally revealing my closet slash dressing room. So pretty much what I did was I'll show you guys, I'll insert some pictures over here of how it looked prior to the change. I pretty much had the standard wire racks in here. This closet is about maybe 200 square feet at most. It's not very big, but I felt like I wasn't really utilizing most of the space that I had. So I decided to get the IKEA PAX system. I customized it. I ended up getting the 3 largest pieces, which was not my first option, but it ended up coming out a little bit cheaper, but I actually like it. And then I had like a random space in here that was like probably like 23 inches wide. I didn't want to lose that space, so I ended up getting something else that fit there from IKEA. And I'll actually link every single thing in the description box as far as what I got, how much everything cost, and the other details that I actually have in the closet. So pretty much I had them built by someone. I used TaskRabbit. IKEA uses TaskRabbit where you can find like local I guess workers to like install stuff for you. And then I actually used them twice. I used them for the closet, the wardrobe, and I also used them for my flush mount light, and I'll actually show you guys that too. But when you guys see it, I love this dressing room because my inspiration came from like old glam, like Diana Ross days glam. So I just wanted like pictures and stuff and black and whites and pretty pink colors. So that's what you guys are gonna see. I hope you guys love it. So without further ado, I'm gonna give you guys a nice little tour of my dressing room, my new glam room, and you guys can let me know what you think. And please, if you guys actually stay to the end of the video, please comment in the bottom, Coco, we see you. That way I'll know that you guys actually stayed to the end of the video. Please subscribe, like the video, share it if you like, if you really love the closet. Also, I also do interior decorating, so if any of you guys would like some help, I can actually link my personal website in here too, so you guys can take a look at that. But it was fun to do, and I mean, I love it. It's such a small space. I was actually going to do my second bedroom, but I just kind of left it just for guests and stuff when I have guests. So I just decided just to keep the closet. I also put like a small vanity in here too. So once I give you guys the tour, I'll kind of break down exactly why I did what and how I did it or whatever. So without further ado, let me get started and show you guys the closet. So here it is, guys. This is my dressing room. So I'm just gonna walk around and give you guys a nice little tour. So let's start from the beginning here. So this is actually the piece that I was talking about, that it's not the IKEA PAX, this here, but this is actually something called the Kallax. I'm literally gonna link everything in the bottom for you guys. But I had this space here that's about 23 inches, and I kind of felt like I didn't want to lose that space. So I kind of Googled and did some research and found this. So it's not as high as the pack system, which is okay because I have like my nail polishes and stuff up there, and that's good for me, honestly. But it's actually almost as deep as it. So I don't know if you guys thought about getting something like this but didn't want to pay for the IKEA PAX. You could get this and kind of customize this yourself. The only thing I'm probably going to do is like mount it to this just so it doesn't fall, but I think I'm okay. But just to have a cleaner look, I'll probably do that. But yeah, so that's my nail polish up top. That's actually like a pastry holder, which I thought was really cute. So I got that from Home Goods, and I just put my polishes there and stuff. So it has four sections here, and I just have like some dresses and stuff in there, and I think it's a great fit for this little small area. Then I actually have the largest IKEA PAX system. So this is, I believe, the 22 and a half, I believe. 22 or 43. I'm sorry. I think it's like 43, something like that. So I got the largest one. And then I ended up getting glass shelves because I just wanted to like see through. I thought it was like really pretty. I didn't get the highest one because I wasn't too sure if it would fit in my closet. I'm actually glad that I didn't because I was able to put like some hats and stuff up there and some boxes and a little bit of storage or whatever. So yes, I have the 43-inch one, and I have my jackets and my blazers, and actually I have it color coordinated. I may switch this. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure yet if I'm going to switch it, but you guys let me know. Should I just do them? Should I organize it by type then color, or just leave it at color? So this is my display area. When I tell you I love this area here, oh my goodness. I actually got the black mirror from IKEA also. That was super cheap. I'll link that too. I have a jewelry holder here for my earrings, which I got this probably from Home Goods or At Home, one of the two. Then I had like a photo here that I had from before. You guys will see it in the previous how my closet was prior to this. You'll get to see this photo in that closet. And then I have like a pearl necklace holder here, some earrings, a candle, a flower. It's just really simple, but I love it. I actually have my perfumes up top here. I'm not sure if you guys could actually see that because of my light that's on, but I have perfumes here. I have perfumes here and here and here. I have my watches and my bracelets. My other bracelets are here that I have them on now. And I got 2 pull-out drawers. So the first one, I just have like some sunnies in here, a couple of brooches or whatever, a Chanel book. Actually, I'm not even done with this. IKEA is out of stock of the jewelry holders and stuff. So I've just been winging it lately, honestly. And then I just have like some extra stuff here that, again, IKEA is out of the little dividers. So what I'm going to do is once they get back in, I'm going to actually, you know, fix this up or actually find another place for some of the stuff here. But these are perfect. They're actually really, really big. And then I got the pants holder. I didn't get the white one. IKEA was out of stock of everything. So I just got the gray one, which I don't mind it. A good idea, guys, if you have any dresses that don't have like ruffles and stuff and any like real details, you could actually hook them over here, over these pants racks. You can put probably about maybe 3 pants on here. I think you can put like 3 on each one. Just slide it back in. Then I got an extra slide drawer here for my little tiny bit of sneakers that I own. And I love it. I think it's perfect. And I think you guys should get it. And then I have another last section here with some more clothing, lighter clothes. And again, I still have the glass shelves here and then another section here. But really quick, I actually had in the middle section, I did have another rod, but I decided to just take it out and just put the display area. And then I'm not sure if you guys know, but IKEA has the PAX systems. They have like these little holes and you can't really see it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but they have like little holes here. And what I did was I just bought it's like hole fillers. I'm going to link that too. They're like $1.29, but you get like 100 in each pack. And it pretty much covers the holes inside of it. So it gives it like a real clean look. I was gonna actually do some molding on it, but I decided not to. I'm like, it's really simple, you know, nothing too much for such a small area. And here's my mirror. I have a huge mirror. Here, this is actually the IKEA, which mirror is this? The one that's $129. It's very cheap. So what I did was I actually spray painted it the small frame and made it black because I wanted it black. And that's it. Really good mirror. It opens up the space in here, and I tell you, I love it, love it, love it. So here's my Billy bookshelves, which I had this before the IKEA PAX. And what I did was I just had the guy separate them out so I can put in my vanity. I'll show you guys that in a second. So I have my bags and stuff in here. I gave some bags away, sold some bags. I got some storage bags up there, just some boxes and stuff. So here is the vanity area. I am actually going to turn the light off so you guys can see it, because it's actually going to, okay, so there it go. So what I did was I have 2 full Billy bookshelves, and then I have a single Billy bookshelf. And what I did was I had him split it out so I can have my vanity in the center. I found a small mirrored vanity table. I'll link that too. And I stuck it right here. I also found a vanity mirror that kind of matched it with mirrors. The rest of them I was finding, I really didn't like them. I'm kind of anal when it comes to stuff like this. So I found like a mirror one that kind of went with the table and stuck that here. I had some old makeup holders and stuff like that. It comes with 2 drawers. I got a few makeup stuff in here, not much. I'm not really a makeup head, but just got a little bit of storage in there. I have a couple of my stuff that I use every day. And then I actually put this shelf here. This is also from IKEA. I'm going to link that too, because I don't know the name of it. I think they're kind of new. They have a couple of sizes, and I like it because it has like a little thing here. So if you have, like, you can actually put stuff towards the edge and it won't fall off. And then I have some photos of Diana Ross. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I am going to insert pictures because it just seems kind of bright because my light is on. But I got this from this guy on Etsy. I freaking love Etsy, like the small businesses and stuff. And I wanted this room to be, like I said, old glam. So I found these photos here. So when I'm getting dressed and putting on my makeup and stuff, I can just think about the olden days. And then over here, we have my shoes and stuff. So again, I said I had 1 full Billy bookcase, which is considered these 2 doors. And then I have a single one there. And I just have all my shoes in there. I have a couple of boxes in there, but mostly shoes in here. And I actually took off my door. I took off my door because that space, I needed that space. Here is another little display area. I actually got these photos of Naomi Campbell out of a magazine. The ones that I got from Etsy, they were a little pricey, and I kind of feel like I could have saved a lot of money if I would have did this from the beginning. And what I did was, if you can see, I bought a plain black frame and I bought the double matte inserts. So I believe this is an 11x14 frame and a 8x10 photo in the middle. So I have that there. I have like a little flower there, a little book. I'm actually going to show you guys the little LED lights that I got from Amazon. I don't know, they're not so bright, but I'll give you guys a look at that too. But that's it. That's the closet, and I absolutely love it. I'm actually going to pan out and give you guys a full view of everything, and this is it. Oh, I'm sorry. I completely forgot about my flush mount light. I'm going to insert photos because it seems very bright right now, and you guys really can't see it. But I didn't get a full chandelier. What I got was a flush mount light, and the flush mount light is, it's just a flush mount light, but it's very pretty. I'll link it. It was a little pricey in my opinion, but I like it a lot. So this is my dressing room. This is my dressing room, and I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So you guys, let me know what you think. If you have any comments or any suggestions on what I should do, if I should change anything, let me know. I'm open to it. But again, I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for tuning in.